Hello kids, Namaskar. So yesterday's homework was question number 2 of page number 50. Let us discuss yesterday's homework first, then we will proceed to our explanation portion. The first was dangerous. We had written more dangerous. Then they had written more dangerous. The second was difficult, that I had written more difficult. Then famous. I hope that you all have written more famous. Then the next answer is delicious, more delicious, exciting to more exciting, and then intelligent. So what we will write? More intelligent, powerful, more powerful. I hope that all of your answers are correct. Now see, the word then is often used after the adjective of comparison when comparing two things. जब हम दो चीजों को कंपेयर करते हैं तो हम then को often यूज करते हैं, मीन्स अधिकतर यूज करते हैं. लेट्स सी द एक्सरसाइज एंड एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ पेज नंबर 51. सो डियर किड्स, लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल्स फर्स्ट. एग्जाम्पल: द रैबिट वॉज क्विकर देन द टॉर्टॉइस. Quicker than, we had written then with the adjective. Then the tortoise was smarter than the rabbit. I find maths more difficult than science. Now let's complete the sentence by using adjective of comparison at then. After the adjective, one has been done for you. Here what we have to do, हमें सिर्फ adjective ही नहीं लिखना है, मतलब एडजेक्टिव ऑफ कंपैरिजन ही नहीं लिखना है, बल्कि हमको साथ में देन भी लगाना है. सो लेट्स सी. मैंगोज आर स्वीटर देन. वेरी गुड, मैंगोज आर स्वीटर देन. अभी मैंगो का सीजन है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर ईटिंग मैंगोज? एवरीवन, है ना? सो इट्स स्वीटर ना, स्वीटर देन वाटरमेलन और नॉट? यस, इट इज. वेरी गुड. We will add ER. So it will become mangoes are sweeter than watermelon. Now let's see the C one. My dog Fluffy barks louder than, LOUDER, louder than your dog Brownie. Now we are comparing two things here, Brownie and Fluffy. That's why we had written louder than. Now Lizzie runs dash anyone in the class. So we will write faster than, FASTER, faster than. Then come to the next one. My brother is 6 years younger, YOUNGER, younger than me. The trip of the zoo was exciting, EXCITING, exciting than the trip of the museum. Then this chapter is difficult, more difficult. What we will write? The spelling is too long, so what we are going to write? More difficult. And do you notice one thing? Here also more will come. More exciting than the trip of the museum. Very good. Now let's see the next one. Here also we will write more difficult than. Then here Sachin is dash any other cricketer, and in bracket famous is written. So we will write more famous. What we will write? More famous than any other cricketer. So here we have completed our question number 3. Now let's see what they had written. Now think what happened when we have to compare more than two things. अब क्या होगा अगर हमें दो से ज्यादा चीजों को कंपेयर करना होता है तो? So read the sentences below. It is cold in Delhi. It is colder in Jaipur. It is the coldest in Shimla. Here cold is positive वाला degree, whereas colder is comparative वाला degree and coldest is superlative degree. Very good. तो आप सबको कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा है. Now turn the page and come to page number 52. So we add est to adjective when we use them to compare 3 or more things in a group. जब हमको 3 or more things in a group लेना होता है या यूज करना होता है तो हम क्या ऐड करते हैं? est from the adjective describe the person or the things that has the most or the least of the particular quality. For example, tall, taller, tallest. ये क्या है? Positive degree of comparison, comparative degree of comparison, superlative degree of comparison. Now high, higher, highest. High is positive degree, higher is comparative degree, and highest is superlative degree. We learn about adjectives with which we add more to compare two things. दो things को add करने के लिए हम more का यूज भी करते थे comparative degree में दो things को बताने के लिए, और most two such adjective when we use the compare 3 or more things in a group. तो हम 3 और उससे ज्यादा चीजों के लिए किसका यूज करेंगे? most का. Now see here examples. My watch is expensive. Sue's watch is more expensive. Jill's watch is the most expensive. It is positive degree of comparison. This one is comparative degree of comparison, and this one is superlative degree of comparison. Superlative means सबसे superior. All right. We write the beforemost of the est form of the adjective. यहाँ पे हमने the most लिखा ना, वही बता रहे हैं. When we use it to compare 3 or more things. Now let's do some exercise so that you will understand the concept more nicely. Follow the examples. Fourth one is follow the examples and complete the table. A few have been done for you. Big, bigger, biggest. Fast, faster. faster, faster, and it will become fastest. Now long, to longer and longest. Then clean, to cleaner and cleanest. Now हमने देखा था अगर बड़े एडजेक्टिव्स वर्ड होते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं? मोर और मोस्ट का यूज करते हैं. तो मोर का यूज कहाँ करेंगे हम? कंपैरेटिव में. कहाँ करेंगे? कंपैरेटिव में. So here I had written more dangerous and here they had given us most dangerous. Now exciting to more exciting, and here we will write most exciting. Yay, we are completing the exercise. Now interesting to more interesting, and here it will come most interesting. And then the next one is difficult, more difficult, and most difficult. Now come to page number 53. Let's do question number 5. Compare the sentence with the correct form of the adjective. The first one is we have to compare the sentences with the correct form of adjectives. Okay, so in this exercise we need to be careful whether they are talking about more than one, whether they are talking about only one, or whether they are talking about two person or two things. So we need to be careful. Now see, John is younger than David. Here we are talking about two persons, so I had written younger. Oliver is older than David. Here we are talking about two person. Now Johan is the youngest of the three. We are talking about more than two, so I had written youngest. Now B1. The leopard is faster than the rabbit. The turtle is slower than the rabbit. The leopard is the fastest of the three. Now come to the C1. Tree 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 trees and let's see the description. Tree 1 is shorter than tree 2. Yes, tree 1 is shorter than tree 2. Then tree 2 is taller than tree 3. Then tree 1 is the shortest of the 3. Now read the rules to form adjective when we use them to compare two things. जब दो चीजों को कंपेयर करना होता है तो उसके रूल्स क्या क्या है, लेट अस सी. दो चीज कब हम यूज करते हैं? फॉर कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. सो दिस आर द रूल्स फॉर कंपैरेटिव फॉर्मेशन डिग्रीज. कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म ऑफ शॉर्ट एडजेक्टिव आर फॉर्म्ड बाय एडिंग ER. शॉर्ट एडजेक्टिव्स के लिए हम सिर्फ ER लगाते हैं. Whereas comparative forms of short adjectives that ends with E and are formed by adding R. ऐसे words जो E से finish होते हैं short adjectives, उसमें हम R लगाते हैं. Now comparative forms of short adjectives ending with one vowel, one consonant. ऐसा कोई word जो one vowel या one consonant के साथ होता है are formed by doubling the consonant and adding ER. जैसे कि hot दिया तो हमने hotter लगाया. Then comparative forms of some adjectives that ends with Y are formed by changing Y to I. हमने आगे भी देखा था इसके पहले भी कि Y जहाँ होता है और आगे अगर consonant होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं? Y को एज इट इज नहीं रखते, Y को I में चेंज करते हैं, देन ER लगाते हैं. बट अगर Y के आगे क्या होगा? वोवेल होगा, तो हम क्या करेंगे? Y को एज इट इज रखेंगे और ER लगाएंगे. नाउ टर्न द पेज, कम टू पेज नंबर 54. To form adjectives that are used to compare 3 or more things, we add EST. जब 3 या 3 से ज्यादा के बारे में बात करते हैं तो हम EST का यूज करते हैं. लाइक कोल्ड, कोल्डर, कोल्डेस्ट, नाइस, नाइजर, नाइजेस्ट. While comparing some adjectives change completely. कुछ adjectives completely change हो जाते हैं. Read the sentence in the table given below. Dev is a good player. Sumit is better player than Dev. Here it is written good, but here they had written better. The word has been completely changed. Then Raj is the best player in the team. Here they had written best. Again the word has been completely changed. Now see, the weather is bad in April. It is worst in May than in April. It is worst of all in June. I ate very little today. Annie ate less than me. Jenny ate the least of all. Now let's do question number 6. And your homework is you need to read this table carefully and understand that there are some adjective words in which the word has been totally changed for making comparative as well as superlative forms of comparison. Now let's do question number 6. Look at the picture, compare the animals and write a sentence about each animal using the ER and EST form of the adjective given. I will write only 2 sentences, small and dangerous, and you have to write the sentence with large and tall. So tick here both and write it down. Homework. आपको लार्ज और टॉल के सेंटेंस खुद से बनाने हैं. मैं खाली स्मॉल और डेंजरस का बनाऊंगी. ऑलराइट. सो माय फर्स्ट सेंटेंस हियर कम. द एलिफेंट, नो, आई विल राइट द स्नेक इज द मोस्ट dangerous animal. Yes, it is. Do you all agree with me or not? Yes, the snake is most dangerous animal. Then small. What do I write with small? The lion is smaller than the elephant. The lion is smaller than the elephant. So here I had written most dangerous. That means I had used superlative degree, whereas here I had written smaller, I had used comparative degree. So it's your homework that you need to fill these blanks by your own sentences. So tick question number 6 and write homework. So your today's homework is read this table and write the blanks by your own with the help of this box. Alright. So dear kids, I hope that you all enjoyed this chapter. That is chapter number 12, comparison of adjectives. And later on we are going to do chapter number 13, A and the articles. Till then, bye, take care and thank you.